If you have deep set eyes, it means your eyes are further set back and your brow bone is prominent. You can see when I turn to the side how prominent my brow bone is. So doing a smoky eye with a dark shade on your entire lid will push the eyes even further back, looking more sunken in. This is where it's most deep set, making it really hard to blend on a traditional smoky eye. So I'm going to show you a more flattering natural smoky eye for deep set eyes. Always start by priming the lid. I'm using MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre and blending it out with a concealer brush, also adding some to my lower lash line. Start with a pencil along your lash line. Make it thicker in the outer corner and thinner as you go towards the inner corner. It doesn't have to be perfect as you are going to just blend it out. Apply it on your lower lash line about halfway. Next, go in with a dark brown eyeshadow to smudge and blend out any harsh lines. Continue to smudge to get a smoky finish. And then doing the same thing on the lower lash line. Next, use a medium brown shade. Start at the lash line and work your way to the outer crease and socket. Use a little product at a time and build it up to whatever intensity you want. Next, I'm going in with a taupey brown with a soft blending brush. Make sure to use this color on the brow bone right above the socket to bring down the prominence of the brow bone and enhance the appearance of the eyes. Apply that same taupe on the lower lash line and blend it out. Apply a matte light shade in the inner lid area. This is usually where it's most sunken in, so the light shade will help bring it forward. Now you can go in with a metallic or a shimmer and pat that into the center of the lid. I'm using like a light pink color. And then I'm going in with a little bit of a darker shimmer to connect the dark and the light together right here. And then just finishing up with blending it out one last time. And then I'm just finishing on the lower lash line by adding a little bit of that pink shimmer. And that's the finished look. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you know someone that could benefit from this video, click the share button and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.